Mama Judy Austin and Judy Austin's secret plan concerning Yul Edochie has been exposed. My people, una know say Yul Edochie, all dis thing when e be say e dey happen to Yul Edochie, we know say Yul Edochie na very stubborn man, but if una look this whole thing very well, my people, the woman that is behind this whole thing, when e be say e stand by Judy Austin back, na the mother. The mother open into korokoro and vow say im daughter must stay husband house. Say enough is enough. He say even if he go take am a last drop to make sure say the marriage between Judy Austin and Yul Edochie no scatter, im go do am. Say because the kind embarrassment when e be say the family don receive, because everybody dey cause am say im daughters dem no go dey husband house. Say this marriage wey una dey see so na the third marriage wey be say Judy Austin don enter. Say e don enter, she's not coming out. Why Mama Judy Austin begin dey find solution to make sure say Yul Edochie stick to the daughter. Of recent, una know say Yul Edochie grant interview say anybody can marry up to 50 wives. Once your marriage is not, you are not happy in that marriage, you can decide to go out of that marriage. And Yul Edochie never talk say he no dey happy with Queen May. Right from time, Yul Edochie no talk so. Everybody know say Yul dey act under the influence of something. And the influence of the thing when be say they act upon na be this Judy Austin mama. Judy Austin mama na very bad woman. We hear say na so e say pursue the Judy Austin father wife take over. Na wetin he do for her own marriage, na she dey do for Judy Ekwensu marriage. Now una come dey ask say why e be say this woman come decide to stand gidigba behind her daughter, say e must dey with Yul Edochie. Come rain, come sun, come shine, na so dem dey enter from one native doctor to another. My people, una know say of recent, when e be say una know say last month Yul Edochie, dem talk say make Yul Edochie come do sadaka, say road go open for am. That sadaka wey be say dem tell am make e do, according to wetin dem let us know, be say dem say the Ezemmua wey be say dem go meet talk say the particular jazz wey be say dem wan do for Yul Edochie, say Yul Edochie must be present in his shrine before the thing go work out. Now dem no know how dem go take carry Yul Edochie come the shrine. Na be that time wey be say Judy come dey tell am say not every shrine na im bad o. When una see Yul Edochie come talk say no be every shrine na im bad, say some you can visit some. So na Judy na im convince am when he come make that statement. According to report, they say as Mama Judy go see that native doctor concerning the marriage of Judy and Yul, say he want say make this marriage no ever scatter. Say because sometimes the way Yul dey do, according to wetin we hear say Yul na so e dey carry anything for skirt, anything wey dey wear skirt, so long as that thing wear skirt, Yul Edochie go after that person. Say na the work wey be say dey do be that he no longer dey faithful. Even when he dey with Queen May, we know say he no be faithful husband. But this time around, e come be like say dem give am license. Now some people dey say wetin make am dey do like this. After all, when he was married to Queen May. Una see I say when he was married to Queen May, he no dey faithful. So Judy Ekwensu no expect Yul to be faithful. So the Baba say make dem carry Yul Edochie come, make dem convince am. Once he come, say e get some kind soap wey dem go give am and sponge make e take baff. Say from there im go put the otomokpo, the juju inside, wey be say e go make Yul, if you use am baff, wash im head finish, e go, anything wey be say Judy talk na im Yul go dey do. So na so dem come convince Yul say, this place wey be say dem dey go, the man get solution. No, he get solution. Some of all this road when e be say e close for Yul Edochie, my people una know say whether una like it or not, una go know say a lot of things dey happen in the life of Yoyo when e be say everybody know say all this thing no be other. Pray for am, say road go open, dem come give am soap, give am oil when e go take baff. All those things dem don already mix all the mixable, all the concoction inside, carry give Yul Edochie say make Yul take dey baff. Now my people, according to wetin we dey hear, we hear say Yul Edochie wanna dey see so. Sometimes Yul Edochie head dey correct, sometimes the head no dey correct, because Yul Edochie, as una see am so, even the Baba saw a lot of things wey be say e tell Mama Judy Austin. E tell Mama Judy Austin say, you see this thing wey be say you dey do so, this man wey una dey see so, his destiny is tied to his first wife. Yes, his destiny is tied to his first wife. Without that first wife, he cannot make any meaningful progress, which is Queen May. They say Yul Edochie destiny is tied to Queen May. But Mama Judy Austin say the shame when e be say this thing don break for him family, e don too much. Why im pikin dem, im girls dem, im daughters dem no go fit dey for husband house. Say out of all the marriage wey be say im daughter don marry, say na this Yul Edochie. My people, I no fit tell una lie o. Yul Edochie spoil this family silly, as in na for their body na Queen May money finish. When Queen May was busy working hard, Yul Edochie was busy carrying shoulder up, as per Okonkwo son, Pet Edochie son. The kind respect when e be say Judy Austin family dey give am, they are practically worshiping Yul Edochie. Yes, they say the kind respect wey dem dey give am. So, and una know say Yul Edochie na very egocentric human being. Person when e be say e get pride, like to go where they go dey worship am. They go dey take am like say yes, him be Eze Buruburu, Eze DK1. Una see this Isimili Jiofo when e be say Judy Austin dey call her. Im mama, Judy Austin mama, he gets PhD in hyping. They say once Yul step in foot for Judy Austin, their compound, im mama go first dance. He go come begin dey hail Yul Edochie. Ogobuchi onye. Na so he go dey call Yul Edochie. Ogobuchi onye. Na be say in-law na the god of man, of them, that is in-law na their god. Ogobuchi onye. He go praise the man, praise am, praise Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie no go know the time when be say he go sign check. Na praise this time Yul dey eat. Now God now come dey punish Yul Edochie because any man when he be say he wan take the glory of God shine, God say, I will not share my glory with anybody. That he is the Lord. He can never share his glory with anybody. That is why he say he is a jealous God. Yul Edochie want to turn God in the life of this Moghalu family because they are poor. They never see any rich in-law before. Yul Edochie was practically telling them that he is rich. He came from a very wealthy home and money na nyaf nyaf. So when una see say dem go tie Yul Edochie so, come turn Yul Edochie face comot for a wife. So na all their mind be say Yul is too rich. Yul is too rich, he get money. And dem no know say the person wey be say e dey hustle this money na im be Queen May. Now when things come be like this, Mama Judy Austin still dey try im best dey waka dey find solution. Dey find solution to see how road go take open for Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie now on the other hand dey feel somehow say this family, since when e be say e enter this family, na im life turn upside down. So sometimes when they go dey prepare all this their juju wey dem dey prepare, then they use am dey block Yul, because according to another babalawo wey be say Mama Judy Austin visit, according to wetin dem talk say all this waka wey be say Mama Judy Austin dey waka up and down for Yul Edochie head, e still dey make Yul no dey progress o, because man when e be say na juju na im dey work am, e dey under the influence of otumokpo. Dat man no dey get sense, e dey turn mumu. And as im be mumu so, e no dey quick and dey think of wetin im wan take make money. You dey see am so. So but according to reports, Mama Judy Austin say instead of Judy Austin go leave Yul, or Yul go leave Judy Austin, im go root the strand of her head, chop and swallow, which is not possible. So according to report, they say the woman say this marriage must hold, this marriage must stand, even though sef im daughter no dey see chop, the marriage go stand, because this is the only marriage wey be say im daughter don go dey happy inside am. Hey, now a lot of people go dey wonder say which type of happiness be this one wey be say Judy Ekwensu derive when e be say Yul Edochie don practically abandon im first wife. No be even abandon herself, e don use im hand ruin im home when e build at young age, leave the wife of the youth, throw and keep for one corner because of infidelity. Now see wetin dem don reduce Yul Edochie into. My people o, so Mama Yul Edochie, not Mama Yul Edochie, Mama Judy Ekwensu don vow. He say, you see this marriage, Yul Edochie is going nowhere. Yul Edochie must marry the daughter, whether money dey or money no dey. Say because the embarrassment don too much. Say the first time wey be say Yul Judy Ekwensu marry Mr. Chike, that time na belle na Chike give am. So the converse carry Chike go carry Judy go dump for Chike. Chike kerewa tire with on top of hunger. Na hunger wan kpai Judy Ekwensu for that marriage. Na Judy Ekwensu come dey cry, come run go im mama house. Im mama come see the condition when im daughter dey. Na im come tell am say okay make e come back home. Na so Judy Ekwensu come back home. Dem come go put am for school. E dey for school, na so e see Mr. Obasi. As e visit Mr. Obasi one day, Mr. Obasi cook rice give am, e chop. Kerewara, before you know, marriage start. Mr. Obasi come respect himself, pay Judy Ekwensu bride price, begin dey marry and give am belle, e born 2 children. On top of that one, Yul Edochie come. Na Yul Edochie na Judy Ekwensu see when e say na man be this freshman. Na know say that time Queen May see dey package am well. When you see Yul Edochie, you go swallow speed. No be now wey be say Yul Edochie resemble wetin I no know. That time Yul Edochie fine. Judy Austin say no way o, this thing no go end for only relationship. Na so Judy Ekwensu come use belle hook Yul Edochie. Very desperate woman. Carry belle, you hook am, Stadike belle. Before you go say gararam, he don carry another one. Na so e mean say he ready come. Before Queen May go shake body say make e even drag Yul Edochie comot, they don knack im first son comot. Knack im first son so that she go fear. She go say she no go. In fact, na only Queen May na use im hand advise herself say this thing when e look well be say into say na play, these people mean am, oya im dash dem Yul Edochie. Now e don dawn on dem see say Yul no get shake mind, she no go man. But still Mama Judy Austin say even though she no go Yul Edochie, say im daughter dey more happy now. Im daughter dey more happy now at the expense of another woman's tears, abi. So now whether na God na wan punish them o, abi na devil na dey punish them, I no know. They marry o, but the marriage now e get as it be, because there is no money. Money without romance is annoyance. Money without finance is annoyance. So they are just there, they just dey there, they do their thing. Meanwhile, every time na Judy Austin mama dey visit from one babalawo to another to make sure say Yul Edochie no throw im daughter out, because their mind dey tell them say, you see this marriage one day your eye go clear. But even though your eye clear, that time e go don too late, because Queen May will not be available for him anymore. Queen May don move on with her life. So my people, make una see the way wey be say this shameless Moghalu family, dem no dey shame. Despite all wetin dem don pass through because of this Yul Edochie, anywhere wey this woman enter na insult, from one insult to another. But still Yul Edochie na im be their priority. Na Yul Edochie be their jackpot. Now the Yul Edochie kpakpa, e no get shishi again, e no get better, e no get money. So na so the whole thing just be, my people. The brain behind all this thing when be say dey happen, the brain behind it is Judy Ekwensu mother. Na she be the woman. They say the woman na very wicked woman. Say because if no be wicked woman, how you go take dey see your daughter dey go destroy person home, dey go destroy person home, you dey happy, you dey alive for your lifetime, you see your daughter dey destroy person home, e no shake you, rather you dey go from one native doctor on top of native doctor. Now e don red. All the native doctor wey be say dem dey waka, dem go do the juju finish, dey hold Yul Edochie. Now Yul Edochie is not making any progress. He's not making progress because the kind sakpa wey e be say e develop dem no be here. So my people, na the matter when e dey ground with this, I go dey bring una more update as things dey unfold. Make una like, make una share this video. This na Morning Gist. For those of una wey be say una dey watch me for the first time, make una no forget to be part of this channel. I go dey bring more gist for una. Now have a nice day. Bye.